We're having some more snow. There's my my woodpecker. I got another one here. So we got two there. And in the now I don't know why he's up here. There was three of them here a minute ago. I put more food out in the barn for him. So he'd rather steal out of the feeder, I guess. Yeah, they like the bird pies. I don't know what's in them. It looks like a bunch of seeds, and I never read to see what was all in it. But they like them anyway. Now there's the second one going on there. And Mr. Squirrel. And it's snowing good, so I don't know if we're going to get the hockey game tonight or not. Because the team that's coming is coming from New Brunswick. I'll show you what the bird pies look like. Alright, this is them here. Called bird pie. So it's got all kinds of different seeds in it, and it's all molded together with something anyway. But anyway, this is what, and then you hang it up. You hang it up there on the hook. It's in a nylon mesh. There's purple finch. They're still hanging around for the winter. So I'll put this aside. My cats are both asleep. That came to me from California last year. And we know one fellow sleeping here. Are you sleepy? Are you being sleepy? Are you? Were you being sleepy? You were? Are you a good boy? No, you're not. You steal my chair, don't you? You take my chair all the time. Yeah. And the other one is in this little bed that Fula bought her. That's her there. Charlotte. But she's not fat, it's just her fur. Anyway, I'm not going to be able to get my apples and stuff out there today because it's just going to get buried. So I'll have to wait and see when this stops. Thank God I got the snowblower fixed. Hey Charlotte, little girl, I know you're awake. She's always aware. Anyway, you imagine doing this to your bedroom? Your wife would kill you. Having all this Boston Brown stuff up. And raccoons everywhere. My Build-A-Bear. He's even got a pair of skates on. So, this is my hat. Lights up. So Fula had this made. Fula had this made for me last year. It's made out of wood. An artist made it for her. So she had to give me a picture of the Boston Bruins. And this was the last time they won the Stanley Cup, was in 2011. So this is quite heavy, by the way. It's made out of metal. It's very, very heavy. So my clock. By the way, that's one of my raccoons. Kafula had that made. It's made out of wood. Oh, you got up, did you? You coming in? Are you coming in? You going to see Charlotte? Come on in. Come on. Come on, see Charlotte. Come on. No, that's my mat there. And I have an alarm clock. And I got the big one out here. It's more like it's like the scoreboard. So that shows you what time it is now, 12:50. And it's the temperature here is 71 in the house, and the February the 6th. And the other clock inside it shows the temperature in Celsius, but this one's in Fahrenheit. So I got this up in Halifax. I'm always on the lookout for Boston Bruins stuff, and of course